How to check in Etihad Airways online. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to check in Etihad Airways online. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to Etihad website with your PC using www.etihad.com, and once you've logged in, the home page will be displayed on your screen just like I have here. So on the home page here, at the top left corner of the screen, you have the Etihad logo. You have the option to you have the option to book your flight. You have the option to manage your flights. You share your experience destination. You have the option for help. Then you have the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and your profile icon. Now to check in Etihad Airways online, all you need to do is to click on manage, which is the second option after book at the top corner, at the top position, the upper position of your screen. Once if you clicked on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen. Here we have three sections. We have the manage your booking section, we have the check-in section, then we have the extra section. So since you want to learn how to check in on Etihad Airways online, simply go to this check-in section, which is the second section on the list. Here under check-in, you have check-in online. So you simply click on check-in online, then you wait for the page to load, and ensure you're patient when you're on this site. Ensure you're patient. So here the page has loaded, and you can see it boldly written on the screen, online check-in. So for you to check in online from 30, you have to check in online from 30 hours before your flight. So before you do all this, ensure you read the instruction that is here, before you fill in your details in the box. So here in the box, you have to fill in your ticket number or your Etihad guest number or your book referencing number. Once you've filled it in this box, you move to the next box that is beside it. You put in your last name. After putting in your last name, just at the left side of your screen, the lower part, you see the option to check in. So once you click on check in, you've just checked in on Etihad Airways online. So this is simply how to check in on Etihad Airways online. It's that simple, and you can try it out too. So I hope you find this video insightful. Thank you.